Okay guys, I wanted to do another video of putting patches on a vinyl jacket. Now these are the ballistic jackets for motorcycles and all, and working with it I've refined my way. I do have another video out there and it's pretty good, but I wanted to do another one kind of a better system. Now you can see my motorcycle jacket there, a lot of patches and stuff on it. The first thing you need to do is take the pads out. And honestly, if the pads are a couple years old, go ahead and just buy some new ones. With age and time, the pads fall apart. So that way when you get the pads out, you have a flatter surface to work with. And a couple more things. You can see I have two blocks right here. 2 blocks, and I have, this is a wood clamp. Gonna need 2 of the wood clamps also, and of course your parchment paper. So let me show you how new system. Let's say this was one of them, this K&N one was one I did. Now there'd be a shoulder pad, and then there's an elbow pad. And so right now I got a good clean flat surface. What I do, and I figured this system out works pretty doggone good, is, say for example I don't have the patch on. I get the patch ready with the glue on the bottom, the E6000. We talked about that in my other video. Okay, so we have a good flat surface right here. We get the parchment paper put on top of that. You get this second board and you square it up over that patch. And you make sure it's lined up on that patch. Then you grab these clamps It's hard working one-handed. And you squeeze one down on one side, and okay, you see them are nice and tight. And that pushes that patch into that vinyl so that glue can put them two together real good. I noticed when I started doing this, my patches came out real crisp and that they're embedded really well. I have another one right here that I done that is really laid in well. I hope y'all can see that. It laid in real well. The glue that comes out, I now take the black cloth paint and I paint over it, and it dulls it out and it just blends in. So that's what I'm doing now. And this is kind of an update. The old system that I showed you guys will still work, but this one, when you clamp it down, you see these clamps, I got them from Harbor Freight. To release them, you press that little button, but they squeeze. You squeeze them together, and they work real good. You could leave this for 24 hours, but I think 12 hours is long enough to squeeze these together. And then after I've had them together for a while, see, I just take these apart. And I get my stuff out of the way. And then what I do is I set it up on a chair. And I don't know if you could see this, but I got a fan. Yeah, you can see my fan over there. And I'll turn my fan on. Like, for example, this is my latest patch. And I'm just going to lay it in there straight. And turn my fan on and let it dry on that for as long as I think I need it. This new system seems to push them in place better and hold them better, and also make them glue in faster. So that was a new video on the same old thing as far as putting patches on jackets. So hope this helps you guys out. So y'all like and subscribe. I need all the help I can get. Anyhow, we'll catch you on the next video.